So I often use this analogy, and I love this analogy because it's so simple to understand. As a kid, did you ever try and push a beach ball under the water? At the swimming pool or at the beach, you hold the ball.
It just kind of goes up, or it's very hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you use all this energy,
Yeah.
you kind of get on top of the ball, and you push over, and you really hold, and you feel quite triumphant for a few moments.
And then boop.
Yep, it pops out again.
Yeah.
Right? And this is exactly what happens to us with these active memories.
Wow.
It takes a lot of energy to hold it underneath our conscious mind. And what essentially happens is we're using all our life's energy to hold something down that we really don't need to be holding down. And so you hear about people talking about chronic fatigue. I think it's perhaps one of the biggest challenges we have. People are chronically tired from all this effort used to hold down experiences that are too painful and too difficult to really face.
Yeah.